There are hundreds of budgeting methods. After trying 12 different systems, here's which one produces the most consistent results. Pro. Spending cash physically hurts. You spend less. Pro. Visual limit creates discipline automatically. Con. Impractical for online shopping, subscriptions, or travel. Pro. Automatic tracking. Links to bank accounts. Pro. Works everywhere, any payment method. Con. Easy to ignore a number on a screen versus empty envelope in hand. Every dollar assigned to a virtual envelope category can be done on paper, spreadsheet, or app. An app is the best zero-based app, expensive but pays for itself. Best budgeting method equals the one you actually do consistently. If you've tried apps and quit, try cash envelopes for 1 month. If envelopes are impractical, find the app with the least friction for you. Download my budget method comparison guide at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.